I don't want you, I want your father.
Yes, sus. Guys, this gold digger. Guys, beware of this gold digger. Are you not ashamed of yourself, my sister? Ha. Guys. Oh yo! What's good YouTube? This is your boy Brother Rasco Dudu. I'm back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another bang. Guys, I've been cooking a lot of content. You guys have been giving you my couple of sessions for 6 seconds and stuff, but today I wanna give you something different. Today we wanna do code digger prank Zimbabwe Edition. Majora ghost we bringing South African YouTube here in Zimbabwe. That's it. If it's of your time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Today we got this Zimbabwe pens. And if you wanna look for some gold digger hands, you understand? Here in Zimbabwe, my baby, I got a motor. I got a motor. You understand? So there's a lot going on here. And I wanna pull up on this other hand which is coming here and see if she's a gold digger. You understand? So let's go and see what's popping. You understand? Amen. Try to kufura. Takaenda. Maskura ve. Yeah. Ndai. Oh, masura. Asante. Arse mix. Denzo praise mwanza. Ndaraska mood muno mutsago pani paho.
Ndisiye ngani.
No garam no.
Yeah.
So how come you don't know power? But we give area no.
I don't have that time to explain.
Yes.
Thank you.
Anyways, you said what's your name?
Oh, my name is Kimberly.
You look so fine.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Do you mind if you give me maybe your Instagram or your number or something?
Nah, you don't qualify to that.
Yo.
Thank you.
Sure. Sus. This nigga's okay. I mean, gold diggers. Let's see if she's gonna follow back. I don't even know, man. Let's see if she's gonna come back. Gold digger. Let's see. Oh, how's it? Yeah, it's one of them.
Oh, one of them.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Oh, I thought maybe you don't want to talk to me.
No, I was just thinking about something. Sorry. Yeah, that's a nice car.
Yeah, it is. Eh?
It's yours.
Yeah, it's actually one of them.
Oh.
It's like the one that I use. I want to go to gym and then you said you don't know. So
oh, no, I do know.
You know.
I can take you there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now you want to take me there?
Yes, I can.
You said what's the name again?
Kimberly.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Huh. If you say so. So you know which area? This side?
Yeah, that side.
Okay. I can go. Oh. It's very hot, huh? Kim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hectic. So what does it?
What did I say?
I'm good. So do you have like a boyfriend or something?
No, Andina.
You don't have a boyfriend?
Yeah, Andina.
So you said what's your type?
What's my what?
Your type, like what's your type?
People with cars, people with money.
Yeah. People with cars like me.
If it's your car, yes.
So automatically I'm a type because I have a car.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's about to be a rainy weather.
So you need something, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I didn't have a car, I was not going to be a type. You don't date guys without cars?
Yeah, why should I do that?
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a model.
You're a model?
Yeah.
You do modeling and stuff?
Yeah.
Hey, you got a nice smile.
Thank you.
Anyways, you said where is the home?
It's just by the road.
So what no like during the weekends? What do you do during the weekends and stuff?
Nothing, I'll be home sleeping.
You'll be home sleeping?
Yeah.
So do you mind if I take you maybe out for a lunch or something? Maybe your dream restaurant, the most expensive one, maybe if possible.
No, it's not about an expensive
it's about what?
Hotel. It's about the class. I like classy stuff.
Oh, I see, you're classy.
Yeah.
So where do you want to go? Maybe La Parade or something?
Yes, I want there.
What do you want, like Kogondo Direction?
Nothing much. Just sushi. It will be fine.
So how much do you think I should give you as like girlfriend allowance?
About 300 US. That's
300
okay.
US.
Mm-hmm.
That's huge.
That's not huge if you really like the person.
So you can't date someone who can't give you girlfriend allowance?
Yes, I can't.
So what else do you bring on the table besides the...
I bring myself. As you're offering the table, so it's you who's supposed to bring.
What if I can't bring anything on the table? Even what if I can even sell the table?
Then we are not meant for each other.
You only go for rich guys.
Yeah, somebody will put something on the table.
Yo, that's crazy.
That's not crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a model. I told
You're a
you.
model.
Yeah.
And are you earning a lot? Like, if you were a guy, were you going to give like your girlfriend something like 300 or something?
I would give more, but 300 is a little. Ishoma.
300 is a little.
Yeah, Ishoma.
How much do you earn?
It depends on the show that I go to. About 500 US dollars.
So usually, like the whole month, at the end of the month, how much do you earn? Like
at the end of the month, if I went to about 3 shows, it's about 800 US dollars.
So would you give someone 300 if you were a guy?
No. Not even. Yeah.
So marry my guy still in for Spain, like.
Yes. What's yours is mine. What's mine? It's mine. What's yours? It's mine.
Yo.
What's mine? It's mine. We don't do that. We don't share.
So do you cheat? What makes you cheat, in fact?
What makes me cheat?
What makes you cheat on someone?
It's a lot. If you can't bring something to the table, somebody else will. If you can't do something, another person will.
Yo.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's not crazy.
That's crazy.
No.
So what's your like what do they call it? Ideal first date?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your ideal first date? This don't do it.
Yeah, I do first date. It's just simple. You take me out.
Where to?
Somewhere expensive.
Somewhere expensive?
Yes.
Would you pay the bill?
No, why would I? You're the one who's offering me to go out with you.
What about splitting the bill? Maybe if the bill is $100.
We don't do 50-50. Yeah, we don't do that.
But you want to go somewhere expensive?
Yeah. You're a man, you're supposed to do that. As we are just supposed to be housewives.
Eating money?
Yeah. We were created to eat men money.
That's insane, I won't lie.
How?
That's insane. Yo, what about Netflix and chilling, Yana? You come and then we chill in my house and stuff.
Netflix and chill, we know where that goes to.
Just chilling?
Nah.
Just chilling, watching the movies and stuff?
We all know.
So you don't do Netflix and chill?
Nah.
So
maybe after 3 dates, yeah. I can do that.
Oh, not on the first date.
Yeah, why would
what if you date someone who is an introvert like me? I don't like chilling and I don't like going to public places and stuff.
Until you know a man sacrifices. You can sacrifice.
So which means Madam Kakapera, you will go on the next person and you're marry.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Wow.
Unfortunately, yes.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, so besides Mario, what else can make you like leave someone besides Nyaze Mari?
I can't leave a man because he cheated.
You will stay?
Yeah.
You just want money? So you're doing business?
No, I'm not doing business, but all men cheat.
All men cheat?
Yeah.
So you just accepted it?
Yeah.
You are a cheater?
Yeah, all men cheat.
That's insane. So as long as I'm going to marry cheat, as long as marriage is going cheat, I will not go in there. What turns you off in the relationship? My deal breakers, no matter what you
if you don't have money.
Yo, besides the money.
Nothing else. Everything is fine. Even if you're ugly, it's okay.
Yo, that's insane. That's crazy. That's crazy.
It's not insane.
That's crazy. How old are you?
I'm young and old.
Young and old. Like how young and how old?
Just know that I'm young and I'm old. You know.
Like roughly how
it's
old?
Just you can tell me I'm young. You can tell me I'm old.
Teenager or 20s or something? 30s?
Yeah, 20s. When I say young, old, it's about 21, 20, 22, yeah.
So you want to get married at what age?
Yo, I don't want to get married.
You want to get married? So you just want to date for fun?
Yeah.
What if you meet someone who is serious and someone
There's nobody that's serious out there.
What makes you so sure?
Because I know.
You went through a lot, ne?
No, I didn't go through a lot.
Heartbreaks?
No, I haven't gotten a heartbreak.
So what do you mean there's no one who is serious out there?
Because I know my friends go through all that.
But you're not your friends. Maybe you are
no,
lucky.
They tell me, so I know.
So you are not dating for your feelings or for your heart. You're
no,
dating
my
for
feelings
money.
are compressed in some way that's very, very, very far. They're compressed, logged. The kids
so you don't see yourself getting married?
Not even. No.
Just want to chow money.
It's not about chowing money. It's about doing jolo. Yeah, it's fine.
So what else do you bring on the table besides me dating you? What else do you bring on the table?
Remember, you are the one who brought the table. Why would I bring something on that table when you're the one that brought it?
Yo.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's a bar. That's a bar. What if I don't bring the table? Maybe that's better.
Exactly.
So if I don't bring the table, I don't
There's
deserve
nothing
you.
to put on the table.
That's insane.
That's
crazy.
That's not insane.
In this matter, Papa Nang Morisapo, it seemed like you were rushing somewhere or you wanted to go somewhere.
No, I wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't.
So why Ongo Shindigno Panda Morisa Chipogo? Yes, it seemed like the way you responded to me was like crazy.
No, it wasn't crazy, but you know that girls are hard to get.
Oh, so you wanted to act hard,
give me
not
that.
easy.
Yeah.
That's insane.
That's not insane. Serious.
That's insane. So which means then answer mota. Wangosuru kwandiri.
Yeah. Apparently. Nasingambodzoke.
So chaswere tudzoke kwandiri mota. Wada mota yangu. Ko what about nini?
No, ndakuda imese.
Ne mota yangu.
Together with the car.
So the person masinde usonzoka. So in short, you are materialistic.
Yeah.
You love material things.
Yeah. Because I'm the one in any love.
But unfortunately, do you mind if you do me a favor?
Yeah, wishes.
There's like, can you see this thing of opening the door there?
Yeah.
Can you please open for me? Yeah. Can you please get out of my car?
Wow.
I don't deal with gold diggers.
Fuck you, nigga. This isn't even your car.
Smile.
This is not even your car. You borrowed it for your father and you're telling me to get out. Fuck you.
Go use Uber, my sister.
Fuck you. I'll use your father's car, not this. I want your father, not you.
Yeah, you fucking gold digger. Yes, sus. Ha. These gold diggers. It's hectic. Yo, guys. It's crazy. Mazonra Mega. It's crazy. Like, I don't even know what's happening with these girls. If you have nothing, if I was namar, can I pass na shkwiti apaka shata. Anyways, guys, I beg guys, thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more content. You understand? Road to 20,000 subscribers. Another masina man. Yo, these girls is just something else. Anyways, let me know if you want more of the videos. I'll keep on dropping more and more. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more content. Yo, medase mana. Tipana papa chibana mdara. Pano pachibana. Fakos ishi. Papa kos guys, pane mashureti kapana apa. Sulunzi pane munhu achinja kuita huku, munhu angashina madata. Saka susu getende papo katinoona kuti zvizi zviri kuitika. Iswa koma nemedia ndo ndofamba hande.
Takasvika ipapo. Tofuruka chi.
Okay. Kunzanzi munhu angashina mata ari pajirare waitira papo.
Chinja kuita huku.
Apa chinja rase kuita huku.
Zvinoshamisa. Zvinoshamisa.
Andinoona.
Ukuya isisipo shamwana. Okay. Nakia mo.
Akumana kazunzi bamunanga akafugama. Kamana akafugama. Chicha itika nengomo. Kamana akafugama munhu. Ito yakuno kudiro siko. Andi muna chicha dawo. Ukati ngeruzi. Amira zona munhu. Yakuno tsadziwa zvizivitika.
Tipara bagazi para kutamisa mana huku yacho nekunzia disapia. Izo yake tupana pa Yesu hapo. Ilipo. Yakurukiwa ndio. Hiyo hapo. Yationi. Yapana hapa panjirapo.
Iri kupi huku yacho? Iri kupi be? Ah, gaya shema.
Chamuri kuona mana tipara pa sapati nai. Yapinda mema usiku.
Iyo huku iri kujobora. Tukobuda babi.
Sana uiwe. Zoka hiyo. Yapana bota na ngoja. Chije dik. Muna chije da huku. Mudaranga karara.
Anga atopfeka gemenzi.
Anga tsamu isipira ikasi.
Angari ega paso. Chichaitika bwezi. Ebo. Chozokuvara pe. Ebo
kwa mana tipana paka zunzanzi mwana achinja kuti mana kumfakosi kumfakosi lera baba
ibudirire fakosi
suma kuyenza njona
panga china matira
yapo fika batuzi Irapo. Izume. Sapatina.
Apostolenya.
Mawana. Yo. Mushikcheke wanda sawa. Hawa. Yo. Aje. Aku pati nyaya aja lah. Lupa baju na bangkara,